you're a beginner looking into dropshipping or eBay but you don't know how to start, then stick with me because you came across the right video. And on today's video, I am going to teach you 3 important steps that you need to be aware of if you want to start a successful dropshipping on eBay. We have the 3 important steps, such as knowing how to start dropshipping on eBay, knowing how to research and get your first product, and knowing how to sell and start making money. So starting with the sign up page, this tends to confuse beginners because they don't know if they should sign up with the personal account or they should sign up with the professional account. So signing up is very easy. All you need to do is to go to ebay.com on Google and sign up with the country that you are currently living in, maybe ebay.ng, ebay.uk, and so on. Come over here where it says register. It will bring you here where you need to create an account, fill in your correct information. You can make use of your email, your Facebook, or your Apple login. If you already have an eBay account, then you can just skip this process. If you already have an eBay account where you buy stuff, then that is good for you because you'll be able to skip this process and to tell eBay that you have an history with them. It will make things easier for you. All you need to do is just to switch up to the business account so that you'll be able to sell on eBay. One huge mistake that beginners make when it comes to looking for a product to sell is that they always end up selling products that they love, that they need, instead of focusing on what people actually need, what people actually want. You have to put yourself in the shoes of a buyer. If you want to sell on eBay, you have to search for the trendy stores. What are people spending their money on? What are people searching on a daily basis? And you have to work with that. That's what you just love, okay? If you end up selling the wrong products, you waste your time, you waste your energy, and you waste your mental strength. One good thing about dropshipping on eBay is that it is a search engine. Millions of people go to eBay to search for stuff to get every day. So you can just take that to your own advantage, search for trendy stuff, and you're good to go. One of the best ways to do product research is to check on your supplier's website, check if they have the products available, check if the product is easy to sell, and make your research on it. The supplier I'm going to be making use of on today's video is CJ Dropshipping. Just search them on Google, sign up, it's very easy and fast. It will bring you to this page where you are logged in. Scroll down to check for products. So this right here says trendy products. These products are currently selling right now. Trendy, right? So let me make use of this one right here. This product is called Merited Puffer Jacket. This one costs around $14 to $15 and the total is $27 to $30, which include the shipping and the service fee. There are 3 things that you need to look out for if you want to research your products on your seller's website, on your supplier's website. And the first thing is check the price of the products if it's not too ridiculously high, because you are still going to add your gain to it, right? And the second thing you need to take note of is the website that the product is going to be shipped from. For example, this product is being shipped from the US and there are 912 products available in the US warehouse. The last thing to look out for is the estimated delivery date. If a delivery date is more than 7 working days, then you don't want to work with that kind of product, because your customers who want to wait for a product that is more than 7 days to get delivered. So now that we know that this particular product has the tracking details, it is available, and this item is good to use. So the next thing we need to know is that if the product is searchable and if people are actually spending money to purchase this product. So all you need to do is to sign up for a product research tool, which is Zik Analysis. Zik Analysis is easy to use, it is easy to navigate, and it will help you a lot with your dropshipping business. So the first thing you see when you want to sign up on Zik is start your 7 days trial. When you are logged in, you'll be directed to this page. Type in the keywords for the product you are selling, the shipping location, and then click on search. They will give you the information you need. This is how much money that has been spent to research this product using eBay. This product also have a successful listing percentage, which means it is good. The number of people that make sales using this product is massive. This means that the chances of working with this product, of making sales, is very high. That leads us right into the third and last step, which is to list your first product. You can list your product in the manual method. You can list your product in the automatic method. But I advise you list your products in the manual method, because that way you'll be able to understand how to navigate eBay, because you are a beginner, so you don't want it to just be automated. But if you want to list it using the automatic method, you can just use AutoDS to do so. But in today's example, we are going to make use of the manual method. So all you need to do is to copy the description and the product image from your supplier's website, come over to your account and click on start listing. That is after you have switched up your personal account to the business account. So we are using men heated jackets, right? The one we found on our supplier's platform. eBay will show you different jacket templates that you can use. So let us use this, because this one is similar to the original one. This one is just a sample, right? So just input the necessary information and upload the image from our supplier's website and paste. When you scroll down, you will see the description space. Just copy and paste from your supplier's page to that. One important thing I want you to know when starting dropshipping on eBay is that after signing up, you want to wait for 2 weeks at least before you can list your first product. That way you familiarize yourself with eBay and your account will not be at risk. But if you already have an existing account, eBay will know that you have history with them, they can just list. But if you are signing up freshly, you want to wait for 2 weeks. So that brings us right to the end of this video. I hope that you guys gained value and learned something, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.